The State Department of Mental Health Services has blown their budget by more than $60 million by their own admission. And state lawmakers say they're struggling to find where that money went. So glad you're with us at 5. I'm Shay Rozzi. Nathan has the night off. This marked day 3 of hearings at the state capitol investigating how a state agency fell short by millions of your tax dollars, impacting mental health clinics and their patients all over Oklahoma. Fox 23's Devin Lyon breaks down today's hearing and the answers lawmakers got. It's new at 5.
This state agency is responsible for the mental health care of thousands of Oklahomans. And after Monday morning's hearing, the state legislators started to get some answers, but now they're all the more frustrated.
Is this the most creative budgeting you've seen?
It's the most confusing budgeting we've seen.
The Special Select Committee looking into the financial shortfall of the State Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services is still looking for answers. The last 2 hearings showed the department blew its budget by about $63 million, but no one knows where the money went.
So they asked for $40 million less than the prior 12-month spend. They got what they asked for, and then they only budgeted 110 of it. If that confuses you, it confused us as well.
The Legislative Office of Fiscal Transparency Director Regina Burcham presented its findings on the financial state of the department.
Do you think there is malfeasance or poor budgeting?
From our observation, it's poor budgeting. Poor budgeting practices that were never corrected.
Of the $63.7 million shortfall, LOFT was able to account for around $33 million of that. Around $28 million is still unaccounted for.
It's a mess. As a taxpayer, you should be upset.
Representatives Dale Curbs and Josh West both sit on this select committee. Although they agree Monday was the most productive day for this committee, they still have unanswered questions.
So that's what we've got to get down to, is figuring out what the deal is. And we still hadn't got down to it. In just professional service, in just the Department of Mental Health, has increased by 2,288%. Now, understand what I just said. That's 2,288% increase in 6 years. That's ungodly.
The LOFT report also looked back on different years' budgetary requests from past fiscal years. They found about 200 accounts for the state agency, and more than half of them were over budgeted for, some by as much as 300%. 25 of the under budgeted accounts saw a $0 budget, but yet those 25 totaled for a $1.4 million expense.
In my 9 years, we've had ups and downs with every agency. It's not just the Department of Mental Health, but I've never seen the department in such shambles it is right now.
More hearings are expected at the state capitol this week. It's possible the State Department of Mental Health Services will have to rebuild its budget from the ground up. That would impact all contracted providers who provide care to Oklahomans at a significant rate. Covering news that matters, Devin Lyon, Fox 23 News.
We have the full report from LOFT in this story on fox23.com, so you can see the numbers for yourself. The state legislature has until the end of May to create a balanced budget for all agencies, including the State Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services.